Hey, what's going on? This is Norris, ex-Facebook Global Marketing Consultant. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you could run mortgage ads in order to go ahead and get more qualified borrower appointments for yourself. Here in this video, I'm actually going to be talking about how you can actually do this yourself and leverage AI in order to make the best out of these ad campaigns for you. So this is a very modern strategy. So I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you inside. This is how you could run mortgage ads, go direct to consumer and get qualified borrower appointments in 2024. So here's an ad campaign overview of where you could go ahead and run on Facebook. So new home buyer and HELOC, these are specific mortgage campaigns you could run, which is really the specific loan product that you go ahead and advertise on Facebook. So inside these campaigns, there are two different types of audiences you go ahead and target that we recommend: a broad audience and an interest stack. Broad audience is essentially zero targeting. Sounds kind of crazy, but essentially you're relying on Facebook's machine learning to find your ideal lead for you. And then interest stacking is essentially using a group of different types of interests that are on Facebook's platform that you go ahead and target. And there's different interests you could target, such as like Zillow, home buyer, et cetera, that you go ahead and find on Facebook's platform. And within each of these ad sets, we recommend targeting at least two different types of ads, two different types of creatives that you could go ahead and run with the ads you want to go ahead and utilize as well. So here are some specific creative examples that you go ahead and run that honestly crush it for our clients. Now, to be honest with you, we do run a decent amount of video creatives as well, but static images really do really well for our clients. And you would get the best bang for your buck, in my opinion, through as far as the amount of time that you would save and the efficiency and the amount of leads you get in return at the end of the day. And this is all through utilizing like Microsoft Design. This is like a really powerful platform that you could utilize where you go ahead and use AI to create your specific type of ad creative in seconds. So here's just an example of how you go ahead and do this. I can make a separate video as well on how you can go ahead and do this. If you guys make a comment down below. You want to pretty much go on design.microsoft.com. You want to scroll down and you want to go ahead and select design creator right there. From there, you'll be prompted on this page right here. Once it loads, where you can go ahead and actually type in a prompt saying what specific type of ad creative you want, and it'll go ahead and generate that for you literally in seconds. So here's a brief example of something you could go ahead and type, pretty much just showcasing the specific loan product / program you want to go ahead and offer, calling out the state, and most importantly, this is like a key thing that really does make sure that there is quality within the leads that we do go ahead and send, is calling out the qualifications needed in order to go ahead and work with the borrower. That way, this is really going to go ahead and attract the specific borrower that you want to go ahead and work with prior to them filling out this ad. And the requirements that we'll do as examples like credit score, work history, or even the amount of income, or even the mortgage payment they're expected to go ahead and pay. So these type of requirements work really well as far as attracting qualified borrowers for you. Now, once they go ahead and see this ad, from there, they're going to go ahead and go on like a survey page, where they go ahead and fill out like their name, email, and phone number, as well as other long form information as well, where they could go ahead and further get qualified. We would definitely recommend you going ahead and implementing something like this. So here's an example of like what that may look like. You could ask questions such as where they're currently renting or owning, and keep in mind this is for like a new home buyer campaign. You can go ahead and do this you could make custom questions based off of what campaign you're looking to go ahead and run as well. If you're planning to go ahead and request a loan, when they're planning to go ahead and request a loan, credit score, price range for the home that they're looking to get, household income, employment status, if they're currently working with an agent, and then once again, full name, email, and phone number. But keep in mind a really good key that you want to go ahead and implement when running these type of campaigns is filtering the responses for only the qualifications of the borrower that you're specifically looking to go ahead and work with. Now, in this example, we actually did this for credit, and I'll actually go back as you can see in just a moment. So here's a credit question right here, and if you could actually see up top, you actually notice that we have qualifications right here. So must have 620 credit score or higher. So that's what this funnel is actually built for. So if someone mentions that they have anything less than that, for example, below fair between 580 to 619, then they automatically get disqualified right here. So when you go ahead and make a page like this, you really want to go ahead and make sure that you're filtering whatever requirements that you have in order to go ahead and work with someone. That way you're only getting qualified leads for you specifically. So now once a qualified lead actually goes ahead and fills out a credit score that's suitable to go ahead and work with you, they will be automatically redirected to this page right here where they can go ahead and schedule a time on your specific calendar for them to go ahead and speak with you, for you to go ahead and help them out with their loan application. This is a really crucial step in order to make sure that more leads ultimately go ahead and convert at the end of the day. So from here, once they have like this component as well, the pre-qualifications and appointments set up, this is pretty much what the generated lead should look like for you. As far as it's just going to reflect the credit score that you have up top here that you're looking to go ahead and get. It should reflect as far as the leads you'll be able to get at the end of the day. And just for context, as far as what you'd be able to expect to see from this is ultimately loan applications coming through. So here's an example of our client who recently received a loan application, who recently just approved one of his leads for pre-approval. So these are the types of results that you should be expecting to see as far as getting a ton of these throughout the month if you do go ahead and implement a campaign similar to this. All right, so if you did like this video, make sure you comment down below as far as what you thought of the video, other questions you may have in terms of ways that I could probably go ahead and help you out making another video in regards to helping you out with your marketing efforts. So thanks a lot, and looking forward to dropping more content like this for you in the next videos.